A day in my life as a school head and a part-time instructor in the College of the Graduate Studies in Samar College. So ito po ang ganap ko every Saturday after ko sa work sa DepEd as a school head. Ito, nagpa-part-time ako as an instructor sa Samar College, which I handle MAED students, major in educational management, and ang subject na hinawakan ko is theories and principles of management. So nakaka-enjoy pala every Saturday na makipagsalamuha sa mga estudyante. You learn a lot from them, coming from their experiences. Actually, maraming nagsasabi that supposedly Saturday is a rest day. So, dahil nagtrabaho pa ng 5 days from the weekdays, so sabi ko naman, naboboard ako magstay sa bahay for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So, why not mag-part-time ako as instructor sa graduate school, which is naman makakatulong mahasa lalo ang aking knowledge, skills, and attitude towards in teaching. So, nag-i-enjoy ako talaga sa pagtuturo. And also, nasi-share ko yung mga learnings ko from my master's degree and my PhD degree. So, that's why ini-enjoy ko ang pagiging part-time instructor ko in the College of the Graduate School sa Samar College. Kasi aside from that, nag-earn ka ng extra money, pangbayad sa mga daily needs and wants mo, pangbayad ng bills. So as a school head, nasi-share ko ang mga knowledge and skills sa mga future school administrator. Then kasi nag-enroll sila dito sa College of the Graduate Studies para mahasa sila sa larangan ng school administrator. Kasi someday, magiging administrator din sila. So, may isi-share ko ang mga experiences ko rather bilang isang school head or bilang isang school administrator. I believe also that a good or effective and efficient leader replicates another leader. So ito, tinuturuan ko sila kung paano mag-handle ng isang school kasi sooner or later magiging school head or school principal sila. So sinishare ko lahat ng kaalaman ko on how to handle the school, how to handle your subordinate or your teacher, and ma-maintain ang harmonious relationship within the organization. Yan talagang pinaka-importante sa isang organization. May harmonious relationship, may respeto, pagmamahal sa isa't isa. So, isang sangkap na magkakaroon ng magandang samahan sa organization, yung tender love and care sa isa't isa po. So once again, thank you for watching my mini vlog. Hope you will learn something from it. Thank you.